This is essentially just to make a motion to do what we've just worked out.
The New Orleans City Council was expected to vote on a motion today to pass a $42.25 million plan proposed by Mayor Mitch Landrieu earlier this week that serves as a stepping stone to end years of litigation between the city and New Orleans firefighters to overhaul the firefighters' pension system. But the City Council decided not to vote on the motion today after a lengthy executive session where firefighters asked to be a part of the typically closed sessions where the City Council planned to discuss their strategy.
We would like and officially request that as we offered the city in our executive session, that the firefighters be allowed to come in and address the special session with the above-mentioned matters.
Council members debated for nearly 20 minutes over the issue and asked City Attorney Sharonda Williams for her legal advice on bringing firefighters into the session.
In this context, we are clearly in ongoing litigation. My intention is to discuss strategy with you during this meeting with regard to something that's pending in the court right now, and I do not believe that it's appropriate to have the lawyers or the members of the fund here.
After debating, the City Council agreed to let firefighters in, but only if they needed clarification on an issue with the proposal, and that the firefighters would have to leave immediately after that information was provided. Nicholas Felton Jr., president of the New Orleans Firefighters Association, says it was important to be able to let the City Council know what they were facing in litigation from the firefighters' perspective.
And we were just believing that the city administration wasn't telling our side of the story. Not Mr. Copland, okay, not the mayor.
Once the executive session ended,
6 yeas, no nays, the motion passes.
Council members chose to vote on a motion to petition the court and ask Orleans Parish Judge Kern Reese, who had previously told the Landrieu administration it had until Friday to come back with a plan approved by the City Council to pay a $75 million judgment to New Orleans firefighters, to set a new date on that decision.
So that the parties can continue to discuss the proposals that have been exchanged between the city and the firefighters.
The hearing with Judge Reese is scheduled to take place at noon on Friday.